Hello, today I will show you how to make a simple fan speed control. I use only 3 parts. One is a 10 kilo ohms resistor, an IRF 540N NPN MOSFET and a 10 kilo ohms potentiometer. No heatsink required for less than 2 amp load. I use a MOSFET instead of a transistor because a MOSFET control input by voltage, so it's easy to bias. Let's start by connect resistor to positive terminal and connect another leg to a MOSFET gate. Connect a MOSFET gate pin to 10 kilo ohms potentiometer. 2 resistor works as voltage divider. Connect a MOSFET drain pin to ground and also connect a potent ion meter middle leg to ground. This circuit use only 2 legs of a potentiometer. Then connect a source pin to load negative pin and connect load positive pin to 12 volt or positive terminal. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and make this circuit as your hobby.